I'm so stoked. Oh my god. That's so freaking good. Welcome back. In today's video, we are going to be making a vegan sponge cake for the first time from, I just saw it on her Instagram, Fit Green Mind. Let's give it a try. I'm gonna make it gluten-free and see how it works out. It might seem a little strange, but let's get right into it. First things first, 1 cup 1-to-1 gluten-free flour, 3/4 cup all-purpose gluten-free flour, 175 grams of sugar, I'm using cane, and 1 heaped teaspoon of baking powder. Honestly, I have no idea if that's too much, but since this is gluten-free, let's just put in that big of a heap. Alrighty, let's give this a stir. Next is 1 cup of sparkling water, and we have these ahas. This is orange grapefruit, so I'm just gonna use it. There's no sugar or anything, so if anything, we'll have like a hint of orange grapefruit in our cake. Maybe, maybe not. I'll put the tablespoon in here. Let's pour them at the same time. Our 1 cup of sparkling water and 2/3 cup plus 1 tablespoon of oil. It's like a lot of oil in my opinion, but okay, now we're not supposed to over mix here. So I'm just gonna try and like fold it. I'm gonna add my own ingredient. I'm gonna add a splash of vanilla. I mean, a lot of gluten-free batters you're supposed to kind of mix extra because there is no gluten. So I feel like, okay, I feel like that's good enough. There's some clumps still. I have already pre-sprayed my bundt pan. This was the same pan I used in my failed angel food cake. Hey, here we are. It looks actually really fantastic. Popped it in the oven at 355, and I'm putting the lowest temperature, which is for putting the lowest. I put the timer on for the lower side, so 40 minutes. It says 40 to 45. A mistake I made with the angel food cake is I was not really actually checking on it. It was so slim, I couldn't see it without opening the door, and I was scared to open the door. So anyways, we're gonna make sure we check on this one because I really don't want it to mess up. I never mentioned this, but with my oven, it's a little bit finicky, so it loses heat a lot when I open the door, even just to put something in the oven. So I always temp it 5 degrees higher than it needs to be. Once I have the item in the oven, I wait like 2 minutes and then I temp it down 5, and it's always lower than what it was supposed to be at. So for my oven, it doesn't hold. Like if it says 350, it's gonna be like 320 the whole time, and it'll be like, what? But you have to be careful if your oven's like that, because I have burnt stuff doing that. So like changing the temperature back up, yeah, so be very careful if you also have to do stuff like that. We will check back in with you in 36 minutes or less maybe, and see how our cake is doing. I just checked, we have 10 minutes left on the clock, and oh my god, it looks so good from looking through the window of the door. And it smells so good, starting to smell so good, so I'm so excited. It's even starting to crack, so I think that 40 minutes will be good, maybe less. While we're still waiting, I'm going to make a little strawberry compote since I have some strawberries in the fridge that need to be used up. So let's do that while we're waiting. Oh my god, you guys. That's 40 minutes and it's looking amazing. Holy, and the volume on that. I'm so impressed. Let's try a toothpick to make sure. Try this side too. Oh my god. I'm so stoked. I'm so excited. It smells so good. Yeah, I can't taste any crumb. I'm so excited. Okay, I'm gonna let it cool. Let's get back to the strawberries. I literally just prepped basically the strawberries well in that 10 minutes because they were so gross. I had to cut off so much grossness. Okay, anyways, let's turn that oven off and get to cooking these strawberries. Tablespoon of sugar, water, and a half, or orange juice. Alrighty, y'all, this is what we're looking for, some bubbles. So we're just gonna let it simmer here for, I don't know, a while until it becomes the right consistency and gooiness that we want. Our strawberries are looking good, so I'm gonna transfer them, taste it, and transfer them into a little glass jar. Okay, perfect. It's a little tart, very sweet, just perfect. Perfection. I don't have any ingredients to make like whipped cream, so I've requested Clay. Hopefully, cross my fingers, he's out, so hopefully he will stop and grab some frozen whip on the way home, because that would just be the perfect whip. Strawberries, delish. But we'll see, maybe it'll just be a strawberry and cake kind of desserts. So I'm really scared, but I'm gonna try and flip it upside down. She didn't do it in her video, so but like, what else am I supposed to do? Flip it and then flip it back? Like, it'll just be so weird if it's like shaped like that, you know what I mean? So anyways, let's get to flipping and see how this goes. I've tried loosening it a little bit with a spatula. Oh, okay. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. Yo. Oh, look how good it looks. It's like a perfect giant donut. Beautiful. Oh, it's beautiful. We've had our supper and the cake is cool. I have got some Cool Whip, the So Delicious one. So we are going to slice, because I am lazy. I'm not gonna like frost the cake with it. So I'm just gonna slice, pop on some toppings, and we're gonna taste it. Yes, I'm being lazy and cutting it on the lid. Ooh. It's heavy. Whipped topping. Yeah, some of our strawberry compote. Ooh, yeah. Taste test time. I'm gonna try the cake by itself first. Okay. That's really good. It's good like plain sponge cake, like white cake. Let's get some whip and some strawberry. That's so freaking good. Super simple, super easy. It does not have any of the flavor of the sparkling water I used. So if you're worried about doing something like that, don't have to be worried. Wow, I'm really impressed with this. This turned out so well. Man, I don't think you'd be able to tell this was gluten-free. Anyways, I wonder if this would work well as muffins. Okay, that's gonna be it for the video. This recipe is super bomb. I'll link the recipe and her page down in the description below. I hope you guys go and try it because it is bomb. Although I'll also write the changes that I made. Anyways, I hope you learned something, hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!